Hi guys, and welcome to your first practice activity and challenge. If you want to follow along with me guys, please open the project file trackmathchallenge.aep. You should have downloaded it in the beginning of this section. And we can work together and you can play around also, it's very nice. Now we did a lot of text with TrackMath and so on. It's time to use pure motion graphics. So the project here is about getting this rabbit out of the hat. There are several ways to do this project, guys, not one way. But we want to focus on using TrackMath. Now I set up the scene for you. You have the curtains, it's nice, and the hat itself, and the wand here that you would like to animate. By the way, all these pictures here are Illustrator file, and I turned them into PNG. And I took all this from freepik.com. Pay them a visit. They are very nice, guys, and the graphics there are very impressive. Also, they have lots of free vector files. So how are we going to make the rabbit come out of the hat? Of course, we are going to use a TrackMath. So let's go to our shape tool. And which shape are we going to use? The rectangle here will make it come out just straight from here. But if you use the ellipse tool, you will have a chance to create a kind of ellipse here that goes around the hat, the opening of the hat here. Well, let me try to do that. I'll just click over here and go up. Okay, notice what I've done. Something like this. Fine. Now using the selection tool and working with the layer, not the shape, I'm going to try to adjust it the best possible. So I'm going to put it over here. I need to take it up. Okay, so it's up to you now to make the best adjustment possible. Well, I think this is cool, but it's a bit big. So I'm going to take it just over here. Now I'll put it on and off. And you notice, yes, it's working fine. So we are going now, of course, to TrackMath the rabbit to the shape layer. So I'll use AlphaMath, that will do. Here you are. Now if you click on the shape layer, notice it's doing pretty well here. I can take it a bit up. Let's start animating the rabbit itself. I open on position and I'll take it up a bit so we can see better. And of course, in the beginning, we want to put it down over here. By the way, guys, I put here a layer style for drop shadow. That's why you can see this black coming in here. But I also like it, it's like giving a certain shadow also on the hat. So I'm going to put it down over here, as simple as this. And using the position, I will keyframe over here. Then come back maybe after 20 frames, take it up, very up, but not to come out of the TrackMath. So up here will do. Come back after, let's say 10 frames, and it goes down just like this. Okay, so it stops here. This is cool. Let's look at our animation. If you play, comes up and down. Pretty nice. Of course, you want to select the keyframes, press F9, go to the graph. I don't know, something like this will do. So it's speedy and comes down, also speedy. Poof, I like it very much. Now, let's animate the wand. Let's scroll up and see where is the wand. And look at the keyframes of the rabbit itself. Okay, here are the keyframes. Now the wand has the anchor point just in the middle. That's not cool. Press Y to select the anchor point and just move it over here on the corner. I will animate the wand layer, then position the wand layer according to the rabbit movement. R for rotation, and maybe I'll keyframe the rotation over here. Go down 10 frames, okay, that will do, and rotate it up. Then pretty fast here, let's put it back to the previous value. I will copy this keyframe and paste it over here. So it looks like it is tapping. Cool, you can select it and press F9 for easy ease. Now the way we want to do it is the rabbit will be coming out when the tapping has finished. Select both layers here and just do like this. Simple and easy. If you play now, you have completed the animation. You can also delay it a bit. I think it will be nicer even. I will deselect. And here you are. You created a very nice animation. Thank you guys for following along this challenge. And I hope you really tried to create it. It's very easy as you have seen. So actually using motion graphics and TrackMath is easier than using it with text layers and some other kind of layers. I will see you in the next lecture with another simple challenge.